This is just to let you guys know, Sally here. Hey, go ahead and get the cameraman right there. Hey, we got the cameraman, and your name again is?
Adam.
Adam and Sally. Hey, that sounds like an old school 80s rap song. You know what I mean? Hey, so anyway, I'm gonna get out their way. I'm gonna do this interview. Hey, you guys check it out. Hey, so I just want to say, hey, awesome job, Sally. I know you say this was your first time interviewing. You did a great job. And Adam, hey, thank you guys. And then listen, we turned around, Kev and I turned around and start walking. And who do we run into? It's Bloveslife. Hey, listen, you want to talk about just meeting a megastar. Hey, and excuse this kid for walking by with this 360 camera on top of this long pole. Check us out. This is why you got 4,000 subscribers and I got 100.
That's true.
Right, I know.
It's consistency. You got to keep going and going and going.
Right.
So yeah, I do understand that.
Okay. Hey, that might just be some background music talk.
Oh yeah.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, check it out. Look who I got right here. This is B-Love.
Bloveslife, y'all.
Hey, tell them how many subscribers you got.
I got like 2 million.
Hey, listen, you want to talk about being starstruck? That's me right now. Here I am with 100,000 subscribers thinking I'm doing big. Hey, look, and she's shorter than me and just smashed me. Hey, you know what? I just want to let you guys know, listen, that VidCon, look, it's 2019. You know what? I'm here on Saturday. Barely made it, flew home for this. And this right here makes it worth it. You know what? Look at this energy out this way. Look who's out here. You know what? Say something. Let them know something. You know.
I don't know what to say, but y'all, I'm chilling, y'all. If y'all go check me out, my name is Bloveslife. I do mukbangs, eat food, eat some of that seafood. If y'all into seafood goers, go over there and check me out.
Hey, with that being said, watch what I do this week, y'all. This is inspired by B-Love right here. Hey, it's going down.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, come on.
I wish I had the sauce.
Hey, now you want to talk about somebody being down to earth? I mean, just like, hey, truly just down to earth. Now, after that, it was time to, like, you know what? We spent a little time with her, and then it was time for us to go out and, you know, check out these food trucks. So we run into this food truck right here, and we looking at the pictures. Kev just like, hey, homie, you know what we could do with that? Hey, so we put this down, start looking up. This is the Meetup Barbecue, you know, food truck out our way. Hey, check it out. Even their presentation look like their pictures. Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, take a look at this right here. You want to talk about some nachos that's on fire right here? I think they call these the hell. What is this called right here? This is the Hellbilly Nachos. You want to talk about something that's awesome? Hey, finally somewhere that, you know, puts out a picture, you know, on their menu, and then their actual food looks the same way. Hey, so check it out. You see what they got to offer. They got a gang of food trucks right here. Hey, but look, this is one of our local vendors right here. Listen, they right out here. I'm gonna put their information. If you guys out here like in the Anaheim, Orange County area, you know what? You guys know I'm living in Riverside. Hey, but listen, I gotta frequent this. Did not know that they had their own little restaurant. I'm gonna check them out. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hey, we gonna find out, you know, what they got to offer in the inside. But I can tell you hands down right now, the presentation is awesome, and we finna get it in, folks. And who do we run into next? We run into Eat Eat with E. I need a surprise that was down there.
What's that?
Have you changed the name of your channel?
No. My cooking channel is Erica Cole's Soul Kitchen.
Right.
And then my mukbang right is Eat. It's Eat Eat with E.
Which one do you want me to do? I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna just say, hey, look who I'm with. I'm with Erica. Y'all know who it is, and blah blah blah. And then I'm gonna say, hey, plug your channel.
Okay.
You know,
All right.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, look, I'm still starstruck. Hey, I got Erica right here.
I'm starstruck.
No, hey, whatever. Hey, you want to talk about just having a good time? This right here is what made it all worth it. You know, I'm out here with, you know, with family. I got Kel behind the camera. I got Erica here. You guys saw B-Love. Hey, but right now it's her time. I want her to just go ahead and give the plug. Hey, while I stand back and just check you out.
Hey, I seen him and I recognized him, so he's the real star. I appreciate all the love, though. My channel that I do mukbangs on is Eat Eat with E. You can see that here. And I also have a cooking channel that's Erica Cole's Soul Kitchen. So you guys come check me out.
Hey, I don't even know what to say, y'all. You know, I'm not, you know, good with all this kind of stuff. Hey, but you want to talk about just being happy? Hey, I'm happy to be in this ambiance. The energy here is great. You know, I get a chance to meet some of the people that I follow and admire. Yeah. This is what is up. Hey, say something. You behind the scenes? Come on. Hey, no. You on there now?
Behind the camera.
That's my cousin.
Okay, hey, that's cuz right there.
Yeah, that's
hey,
my cousin.
So anyway, Erica, AB, we finna get it in.
That's right. Thank you.
I ain't gonna lie, Erica. I'ma always know you as Erica's Soul Food Kitchen. Now, as we continue walking, we ran into this food truck right here, known as the Viking truck, which was actually the sister truck to that first truck. Check it out. Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, check it out. I'm at the Viking truck. Look at this right here. Hey, look, I gotta look on here. I gotta get you guys the name. You wanna talk about something that's crazy? Check this out. What do they call this right here? This is called the dragon eggs. Hey, these supposed to be the eggs. Look at the chili. They hit it with all this sauce. Oh my God, y'all. Hey, what up, bro?
What's up, dog? T, bro.
Hey,
What's up?
that's right.
Hey, dog. That's the tater shot right there, dog.
Hey, plug your stuff up, man.
Hey, man, it's T, bro. I'm from San Diego.
Only here at VidCon, folks. Hey, VidCon 2019. That's what's up, y'all. Hey, you never know who's gonna stop by. Hey, but back to these right here. This is right here. This look like this is the truth. We finna get it in, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear that pop, but that boom right there, that's it right here. Woo, this got a little heat, y'all. This is it. Hey, you guys got to check them out. I'll put the information down in the description box below. Hey, this right here, this is truly the truth. And you want to talk about the presentation one more time? Hey, well, that's it, y'all. Hey, let you guys see, you know, a little bit of what, you know, in my world, you know what, a lot of energy, got my creative juices going. I know this wasn't really like a vlog for like, you know, food or whatever, but listen, this environment, very, very conducive for myself. Hey, Kev is behind there from Kevin Lockett Kitchen and Grill. Hey, he's my cameraman right now. Hey, I just want to say, hey, thank you guys for watching this. Hey, this is VidCon 2019. I'm coming back for 2020. Hey, hopefully we have a whole lot more subscribers. And with that being said, you guys know how I end it. Peace.